Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Jaylyn. For those of you that are new here, hello! Today's video I'm going to be showing you how I do my nighttime skincare routine. Now this is a video that has been highly requested of me over the years on social media, so I thought it would be the perfect time for me to show you how I go from this to this. So if this is something that you are interested in watching, then stay tuned. Alright, so the first thing that I like to do is I like to take my Neutrogena Makeup Remover Cleansing Towelettes. These are, of course, the hydrating ones. And I use one of them to remove all of my face makeup before I go in with any other face wash or other facial products. Now, I love this specific brand and type of makeup remover wipes because unlike other brands, these wipes actually do what they say. Not only do they remove even the toughest to remove makeup products, such as waterproof mascara and even liquid lipsticks, but they deep clean my skin as well, making sure that my skin is feeling hydrated and of course never breaking me out. I have been using them for years and years now, and they will constantly be a must-have for me. I also love how extremely affordable they are. For a small pack of 25 makeup remover wipes, you can pick them up at any local store, ranging from $5 to $7, which honestly, in my opinion, for what you get at that price point, you cannot beat that. Once that is finished, we are going to start washing our face, but first I like to put something in my hair to push my hair back, and as you can see, I'm using this adorable little headband that I got from the Line Friends store. The face wash that I've been using lately is by PCA Skin, and it is actually a daily exfoliant. This was recommended to me by a dermatologist back when I went in for a hydrofacial a few months ago, and I really like this face wash because not only is it a cleanser, but it's also an exfoliant as well, which is really nice because if you're like me and you don't have time to do both in the evenings, this comes in handy, let me tell you. And if you're interested in purchasing, this is suitable for all skin types and can be used in both AM and PM, but just to let you guys know, I only use it in the evenings, and I believe it's about $30 to $40 in case you are interested in purchasing. After I've finished washing my face and rinsing with warm water, I then go in with a clean, fresh towel and I just pat dry my face really well. I then like to use the Bifacial Double Action Eye Makeup Remover by Lancome to remove any leftover mascara or makeup that I may have missed previously. Now, of course, this is a sample size because, well, I'm cheap like that, but once it does run out, I probably will be purchasing a full bottle. Now, to remove the makeup, I prefer to use a cotton pad, but you can also use a cotton ball as well. And I really love this product because a little bit goes a long way and it does not cause any issues with my eye contacts, which is a huge plus. Now, even though my face wash does double as an exfoliator, I still like to use the Peter Thomas Roth peeling gel at least 2 to 3 times a week after I've washed my skin to give my skin that soft, fresh, and healthy complexion. Now, honestly, out of all these products, I recommend this one the most. Now, I know what some of you may be thinking. You're probably thinking, but Jaylyn, that bottle is $48, and you're right. But I've had this exact same bottle for over 3 years. That's right, 3 years. And just now am I starting to run out of it. So it is definitely worth the investment in my opinion. So normally I'm not really a huge serum person, but this is a serum that I've been using for quite a few months now, and this is the Caudalie Vinoperfect Radiance Serum. And as you can see here, this is also a sample size, well, because money, but I really like it. In fact, I would probably purchase it once it runs out for the full size, except that it's, well, $79. And honestly, I'm not really about that life, so I will just have to enjoy it while it lasts. It does say online that the serum combats dark spots, evens skin tone, and boosts radiance. Now, I don't have any dark spots that I can recall, but I do believe that it does boost radiance and makes my skin feel much tighter after I have applied it on my skin. For the eyes, I have been using its Potent Eye Cream by Benefit, and honestly, I have only been using this for a few weeks, so it hasn't been long enough for me to really obsess over, but so far I'm really liking it. What I like most about it is that it doesn't really have that much of a scent to it, and a little bit does go a long way, which if you're a penny pincher like myself, then you could definitely appreciate that. And this too is a sample size, but if you are interested in purchasing the full size, it is available online for $34. Moving on to face masks now, I am constantly changing them up because I have so many of them, but I've been really loving the Lancome Overnight Recovery Sleeping Mask as shown here. I have been using this religiously for over a year and a half now, and I am obsessed with this mask. It says online that it's a hydrating and cooling antioxidant packed sleeping mask that melts into your skin overnight for a renewed glow by morning. And honestly, that is exactly what it does. Every morning when I wake up from using this the night before, my skin just feels like heaven. And honestly, it's a Lancome product, so can you really go wrong with it? Last but not least, I like to apply the PoutMud Wet Lip Balm Treatment by Glam on my lips because it truly does an amazing job at keeping my lips feeling soft and hydrated throughout the night. Mine is in the shade Clear, and I actually purchased mine at TJ Maxx for $10, but if you are interested, you can purchase it online for $20. And that of course concludes it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I sure enjoyed filming. And before we're done, I wanted to zoom in to show you guys what my skin looks like after all that. But yeah, I kind of zoomed in a little too much, and dang girl, that peach fuzz. Now normally I do shave my face, however that video was kind of overdone, so I didn't for this video. But I just wanted to show you guys what my skin looks like up close after I have completed my routine. And oh, what's that? Oh, look at us get rid of that dandruff. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please do not forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and as always, I will catch you guys in the next one.